Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add horizontal and vertical scroll views to your designs inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a scrollable map, something that looks just like Google Maps, so you can spice up your UI prototypes, make them feel more realistic, and impress your clients or teammates. Alright, let's dive in and get started. First up, for this demonstration, I've chosen a map as my example, just to show you how scrolling works in both horizontal and vertical directions. You can grab a map screenshot easily from Google Maps, or use any large image that you want to showcase. The reason we're using a map is that maps are the classic use case for both directional scrolling. Think about it. You want to explore north, south, east, and west, not just up or down. So once you've got your map image saved, head on over to Figma and create a new frame. Frames in Figma work like the canvas or the screen of a device. It's basically your preview window. Drop your map image directly inside this frame. Here's something important. You want your map image to be way bigger than the frame itself. Why? Because that extra space is what actually creates the need to scroll. Imagine you're looking at a window, and outside that window is a huge landscape. The frame is your window, and the oversized map is the landscape. You'll want to be able to pan around and see different sections of it. Once you've made sure your map is significantly larger than the frame, don't worry if you need to resize it a couple of times to get the feel just right. It's time to set up the scrolling interaction. Up at the top, find the Prototype tab in Figma. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to interactions and transitions. Now, simply click once on your frame to select it. You'll see all sorts of options on the right, but the one we're looking for is called Scroll Behavior. There's a drop-down there, and you'll notice you have a few choices. No scrolling, horizontal, vertical in both directions. For our example, because we want to be able to scroll in any direction, just like in Google Maps, let's go ahead and select both directions. This is what unlocks that intuitive drag movement you expect from an interactive map. It might be tempting to rush and click preview right away, but just take a second to double check that your map is actually bigger than the frame, otherwise nothing will move. Okay, now click that play or preview button up top. You'll see your frame come to life in the prototype window. Go ahead, try clicking and dragging. Don't worry, you can't break anything. You'll see that you can smoothly pan around the map in any direction, just like in a real app. And that's literally it. You've just added both horizontal and vertical scrolling to your Figma frame. It's a simple trick, but absolutely essential for making your designs feel real and giving your users that immersive, interactive experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tricks. And if you have any questions or if you get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment down below. I always try to help out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.